Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya. I'm basically from Bangalore, working as a production manager at Outpost VFX. It's been 6 years in the VFX industry, and I worked with some good companies like MPC and DTech. I'm basically a BSc graduate in multimedia and animation. So my final semester was basically completely of VFX, and that's when I really started liking VFX. And there was once a campus interview from BOT, and that is when the HR told me I'm good at my communications, and he asked me to join production. Not just that, I am very much into clay modeling. I was into stop motion animation. This was some extracurriculars I used to love doing, and those were also my hobbies. I used to build sets for stop motion animations. Exciting projects. Yes, I started off with an Indian project called Bahubali. So that was my very first project. So I was very excited as a production on that project. When I moved to DNEG, I had a good chance of working on Marvel DC projects. And one of my personal favorite is Deccan Nile, which gave me a lot of exposure to handle the crew, which was a huge crew and very short deadlines that I had to complete. As production, it gave me a good exposure of tracking and making sure the delivery is on point. Most commonly used softwares in the industry is ShotGrid and Excels. My personal favorite is ShotGrid. ShotGrid is built in such a way that we can do an end-to-end of the show, which includes schedules, tracking the deadlines, and also do the deliveries. I strongly believe, be it past, present, or future, production department will always be the backbone of the company. We make schedules, we make deadlines, we make sure that that is met, read up to the artist, we make sure the crew is in place. My tips to you would be a passion-driven person and not money-driven. Be updated with all the new softwares of the industry. Have timely updates of the industry, anything that is happening in the industry, new companies, new launches, keep them always updated. I would also like to see a lot of women in the industry, women power growing in the industry. So I encourage a lot of women to start joining into VFX, into various departments. Thank you, Madlookz. Thank you, Manoj, for giving me this opportunity. It was great talking to all of you.